Unleash success with top USA web developers. Welcome to your pathway to success. Discover how our web development services can revolutionize your business in the digital age. In a world driven by technology, having a solid online presence is crucial. Our company specializes in crafting bespoke websites that captivate. We understand that every business is unique. That's why we offer personalized solutions tailored to meet your specific needs and goals. Our team comprises industry-leading experts. We combine creativity and technical prowess to deliver websites that are both beautiful and functional. Time is of the essence. Our efficient project management ensures timely delivery without compromising on quality, keeping your business ahead of the curve. We prioritize user experience. Our responsive designs ensure seamless navigation across all devices, making it easier for your clients to connect with you. SEO is at the heart of our strategy. We optimize every element of your website to enhance visibility and attract more organic traffic. Security is paramount. With our robust security protocols, your website is safeguarded against potential threats, giving you peace of mind. Partner with the best web development company in the USA. Let us elevate your online presence and unlock unparalleled success for your business.